Yep. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Check it out now. Check it out now. Yeah. Told be real, I'm gonna kill his mother, man. Hey, D, watch this right here, man. Been 100 nigga before I can even feel. Came out my mama screaming out real, recognize real. Jumped off the boat before I became a teen. Kept God up in front of me, guiding me as my lead. Futuristic vision, the image of getting better. Kept a nigga looking forward, a consistent go-getter. Lack of being sluggish when it come to trying to get it, man. I work my ass off, now I ain't got nothing to sit with. Sick with the blow, somebody please call a doctor. Severely under the weather and the temperature keeps dropping. So I give me a hand, cause man, I got a problem. My body's lukewarm, but my lyrics are a lot hotter. Symptoms include talent, my diagnosis, I'm gifted. A blessing, sip, I'm heavy, thank you, Lord, I love my present. Good looking out, Jesus, that's why I call you my savior. Cause you always got my back even when I'm misbehaving. Been through so much struggle, and niggas feeling diminished. But I'm still on my seat, you tripping, I bet you thought I was finished. It's just the first semester, professor, I'm still progressing. Learning life lessons, stretch the test is interesting. To be rising up and seeing the two faces. Treat this shit like options, just call me the cake crusader. I'ma speak the truth, so please let me just tell it. Some niggas say they're real, don't even know how to spell it. Real recognize real, you look a bit unfamiliar. I'm apologizing my circle, get the fuck out of my area. Ain't no competition, these buses suckers don't want it. Feel like I'm shadow boxing, fighting a fake opponent, huh? Y'all need to quit, you feel me? I'm just too sick. Y'all need to quit, you feel me? I'm just too sick. Fuck my enemies, niggas gotta be kidding me. New roads, blood, spitting, Til Infinity. Yeah. Man, shit too, man. This shit been a Black Panther mural, you know what I'm saying?
I feel you, dog.
Yeah, man, straight black, man. We got Malcolm X, Martin Luther, you know what I'm saying, man? Angela Davis, boy. Shit, they ain't gonna do that, though.